This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Joyner. New construction custom home. Home feature 3 large bedroom, 2 baths, open floor plan, all LED lighting, tray ceilings in great room, tray ceiling in master, stainless steel appliances, laminate, carpet, luxury vinyl tile kitchen backsplash, uprgraded lighting package, closet shelving, custom wood shelving in laundry and pantry closet. Custom coat tree bench, insulated garage and garage door, custom cedar exterior shutters, floored attic storage. Close to Knox County, Halls and Norris Lake. For more information, review the details below or contact Joyner at 865-687-1111.